In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to clear the cache and browsing data in the Microsoft Edge browser. Over time, your browser stores temporary files, images, and scripts from websites to help them load faster during your next visit. However, these files can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, leading to slow performance or formatting issues on certain pages. Clearing your cache is a quick and effective way to refresh your browser and ensure everything is running smoothly. To get started, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the window and click on the 3 horizontal dots, which represents the Settings in More menu. From the drop-down list, scroll down and click on Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the sidebar on the left-hand side and select Privacy, Search, and Services. Now scroll down on the main page until you find the section labeled Clear Browsing Data. Click on the blue button that says Choose What to Clear. A pop-up window will appear with several options. First, click on the Time Range drop-down menu and select All Time to ensure a complete cleanup, or choose a specific time frame if you prefer. Below that, make sure the box next to Cached Images and Files is checked. You may also want to check cookies and other site data if you are trying to resolve login or site errors, though keep in mind this will sign you out of most websites. Once you have made your selections, click the Clear Now button at the bottom. Edge will take a moment to process the request, and once the window disappears, your cache is officially cleared. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If this helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tips. If there is a specific topic or problem you want me to cover next, let me know in the comments below.